Carving at high throttle is a new concept for me as a carver, and I want to tell you why this is really important. Controlling volume, if you're in a residential neighborhood, is important. Controlling the speed of the chain rotation is always important. And being able to maintain a consistency in the depth of your cut. So what I'm going to show you here in just a minute is how it looks. So stand by, and let's talk first though about the mechanics of most chainsaws. Most chainsaws I've used have this feature where if you pull this out, that's the choke. But if you pull it out and push it back in, that's high throttle. So pull it out is choke, but if you do a quick pull out and push back in, that's high throttle. Now, I start my machine, get it running, cut it off. Once it's warm, then I do this quick pull push to set the high throttle, start my chainsaw, and it will start with the chain spinning. Great, let it spin. Don't touch the release, don't touch the accelerator. I guess that's what you call that. It's the switch, because as soon as you push this down, you watch that happen again. Let me pull out and push in. And when you push this down, watch what happens to the, did you hear it? There's a click. Last time I saw it move, it undoes the high throttle and puts it into low throttle. Well, this saw will die in low throttle. And if I continue to play with it and carve with it, I have to have it revved up very, very high in order to keep it running. And of course you could say, well, one solution is just to get your, adjust your carburetor. True, but I've learned to carve with it in high throttle and it works perfectly well for me. It maintains a very consistent spin. I know exactly what I can count on. I know how much it's gonna dig. I know how loud it's gonna be. It's actually much, much quieter than when I try to change the speed as I go. So try it out and let me show you how it works. I've learned to carve with it in high idle. A quick pull out and push in sets most of the chainsaws I've used in high idle so that when you start them, the chain will spin consistently, slowly, all of the time. And hopefully I've demonstrated how effective that can be if you choose that method. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe if you find this valuable. Have a great day.